Russia, Republic of Bashkortostan. Open joint stock company Stерлитамак Petrochemical Plant and open joint stock company Synthos Caoutchouc. Limited liability company Tau Petrochem Management performs the joint management of the largest petrochemical enterprises of the Republic of Bashkortostan. Joint stock company Stерлитамак Petrochemical Plant and joint stock company Synthos Caoutchouc. The competence of the structure is to attract investment, carry out commercial and image functions, and perform current financial management and accounting. Bashkortostan is a republic within the Russian Federation with a population of 4.5 million people. The distance from Moscow to Ufa, the capital of Bashkortostan, is 1,200 kilometers. Bashkortostan is one of the leading Russian oil refining and petroleum chemistry regions. The republic accounts for 6 of primary oil refining in Russia. Diesel fuel, black oil fuel and gasoline are manufactured here. The petrochemical industry is represented by the production of plastics and synthetic resins, mineral fertilizers and synthetic rubber. So Bashkortostan is one of the most economically developed republics of Russia. Stерлитамак Open Joint Stock Company Synthos Caoutchouc is one of the largest Russian manufacturers of polyisoprene rubbers of general and special purpose, used in the manufacture of tires. It also produces a wide range of rubber products and food products for medical and domestic use. It is the only producer of neodymium polyisoprene rubbers of SKI 5 and SKI 5PM grades in Russia and the CIS. The main advantage of the neodymium catalyst system is its environmental friendliness. No harmful volatile compounds, oligomers of isoprene are formed in the synthesis of a neodymium polymer. The amount of wastewater decreases in the production process, and corrosion-active impurities disappear. The company is mastering the production of special-purpose epichlorohydrin synthetic rubbers, intended for the use in various industries, automobile production and shipbuilding. Open Joint Stock Company Stерлитамак Petrochemical Plant is the unique enterprise producing multi-type competitive products of low tonnage chemistry of over 30 items. Major commodities are butadiene styrene rubber with the trade name of Agipol, used in the manufacture of tires and industrial rubber products. Phenolic antioxidants with the trademark of Agidol for the production of synthetic rubbers, plastics, fibers, also for feed, food and cosmetic industries, preventing the premature aging process, the only company in Russia and the CIS producing these goods. High-octane fuel additives, hardeners for epoxy resins and other petrochemical products. Geography of deliveries covers half of the globe. The products are applied in all regions of Russia, many CIS countries and abroad. Quality management system complying with the requirements of ISO 9001-2008 is implemented at JSC Synthos Caoutchouc and JSC Stерлитамак Petrochemical Plant. The product components of the enterprises were among the first products in Russia registered under REACH system. The companies have strong partnership ties with customers from across the globe. One of the objectives of the petrochemist policy in the field of quality is to ensure environmentally safe production.